Hey buddy, today in this video we're making Texas Toast BLT in the air fryer. Let's begin. We have here 1.5 cup of sliced up lettuce. We're going to put that to the side. We have here 1 tomato and some bacon. Let's cut up the tomato first. Going to make some slices. There we go, we have the sliced up tomato. We're going to put that to the side for right now. And let's cook up the bacon. We're using hardwood smoked bacon from Oscar Mayer. We'll need 6 slices, but we're going to cook some more because I like extra bacon to eat separately. Okay, we opened up the package of bacon. Let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn on the air fryer. We're going to push the preheat button, and we're going to preheat it at 400 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer's been preheated. Let's put in the bacon. We need around 6 to 8 pieces of bacon. It's alright if it overlaps a little bit. We have here around 7 pieces of bacon. And let's put it in. We're going to turn it back on. We're going for 400 degrees for 7 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 7 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take it out. Looking good. Let's take out the bacon. And put it on a piece of towel. Okay, we're going to leave it on the paper towel and let it soak up some of the oil. We have here some Texas toast, and let's put it in the air fryer. Okay, let's put the frozen Texas toast in the air fryer. There we go. We have 6 pieces of frozen Texas toast in. We're going to put it in. We're going to turn it on. We're going for 400 degrees for a total time of 7 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 7 minutes for the frozen Texas toast. Let's take it out. Looking good. Let's take them out. We're going to spread some mayonnaise on top. Okay, the mayonnaise is nicely spread out. Next, we're going to put some shredded lettuce on top. We're going to put some tomatoes on top. To enhance the flavor of the tomatoes, we're going to add some salt. Just lightly sprinkle it on top. There you go. And then lightly sprinkle some black pepper. Next, we're going to need 2 bacon strips for each BLT. We're going to cut it in half. Cut it in half. And then put it on the sandwich. Just like that. Another one. Take 2 pieces of bacon. Cut it in half. Just like that. And put it on the sandwich. Cut it in half. And put it on top of the sandwich. Then we're going to take the toast and put it on top. We also have some toothpicks. Just going to poke it through to hold it in place. Okay, this is what we have today. Texas Toast BLT made in the air fryer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.